Are you a university graduate? Want to help students while earning? With Solvemeet, you can become an advisor and guide students preparing for university admission tests. Create your profile in minutes, share your knowledge, and start earning. To create your profile, go to the Solvemeet website. Fill in the boxes and register, then submit all your information. Help HSC students with expert advice on admission tests and show them the way to success. Guide them on choosing the right university and preparing online for the entrance exams. Earn money while doing what you love. Visit solvemeet.com today. Share your knowledge and make an impact.